XAL isn't the only thing that's flexible. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another CTech Studios video. I'm Miriam Taylor, and today we'll be featuring XAL's latest fixture, hot off the press, just released a couple months ago. So who is XAL? They specialize in European designs for retail, office, hotels, and residential spaces. And best of all, they are manufactured here in the US. So let's jump into their newest product launch. Here we have the X-Lite. It's a multi-purpose downlight made up of interchangeable individual cells and can be configured with multiple circuits, giving you the option to choose a variety of lenses, all from one fixture. With the X-Lite's innovative design, you are getting 100,000 standard configurations. Not bad, eh? The X-Lite is more efficient than their competitors by using LEDs that have very low input power, providing the most efficacious use of power, operation, maintenance, and longevity. You are getting 101 lumens per watt. This contemporary piece has sophisticated finishes, including the white, the black, and you can get the white in a matte or gloss, along with the black in a matte or gloss. You can also choose the housing finish, which is available in white, black, or gray. The high-performance lensing provides a uniform illumination, giving you a direct glow evenly throughout a room. These individual cells make up one downlight that can be recessed, pendant, or surface mounted. These cells can be integrated into XAL's linear Basso 1.5 as an accent, wall wash, or spotlight. Using the same technology as the X-Lite, XAL came out with a different variant, the flexible light, also known as FlexLight. This 1-inch downlight is a multifaceted fixture designed to fit any architectural interior space, with options to have increments of 1 inch or a 2-inch drop lens. It can also be flush or even regress. XAL offers multiple options from just one fixture. Think about a retail space. How many times does the lighting layout change? Well, now you can change it with the touch of your finger and it's all toolless. Maybe you want a wall wash, maybe a downlight or a spotlight. XAL makes it easy. So let us know your thoughts on XAL's latest release of the X-Lite and FlexLight. And be sure to contact your local CTech rep to ask any questions, pricing, or even see a sample while we have them on hand. Thanks, everyone.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any CTech Studios videos.